Welcome to a crash course on stock market crashes. First, some defining characteristics of stock market crashes will be outlined and explained through the use of a wide variety of case studies. That includes charts and a technical analysis approach. After that, there will be a discussion focusing on contributing factors to stock market crashes. That includes a discussion on fundamental factors that cause stock market crashes. Then there'll be a section covering stock market crash strategies. These topics mainly focus on the decline of entire stock markets, though they are still applicable to the decline of individual stocks and groups of stocks on a smaller scale. All this will provide a better understanding of what happens before, during, and after the phenomenon of a stock market crash. And that will help in preparing for market downturns in the future, while at the same time improving understanding of past stock market crashes.